Ranchi, Jharkhand. Good, good. What is the degree you have done?
Sir, I am graduate in economics.
Acha. So, why did you prefer economics?
Sir, I have an interest in economics because I belong to a business family, so there is interest in economics.
So, in what way do you think business and economics are interrelated? I'm just spending some time so that others come, that is the reason. Just try
Sir,
to answer it.
market is all about economics, sir.
Yeah. Marketing is all about economics.
Economics.
Hmm. So when do we say that market is good?
When there is, sir, when there is supply of money is good in market,
Hmm.
then consumers prefer to buy
Hmm.
any goods.
When consumers buy commodities more in number and
Yes,
the trader also has business. But in the case of stock market and all, they say that market is good when the share market price is going up like anything like
going up. Yes, sir.
that is the thing. Yeah. So you are from Ranchi.
Yes, sir.
Who is your governor now?
Sir, Phpe Radhakrishnan, sir.
Oh, I think he is from Tamil Nadu only. Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Yeah.
Sir, it is the
And
hometown of the Mahendra Singh Dhoni, sir.
yeah. You are very happy about that. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is also connected with Tamil Nadu because he is in
Yes, sir.
Chennai's
Adopted son.
it's CSK. What is that called?
Yes, sir.
Chennai Super Kings.
Yes, sir. Chennai Super.
Chennai Super Kings. Very good. Excellent. Welcome, Monica Sen. Monica Sen.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, and நீங்க எப்ப ஜாயின் பண்ணீங்க இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல? When did you join?
Sir, 5 days ஆச்சு sir.
5 days, 5 to 6 days. Very good, very good. Excellent. Good. Now, I think I have shared some file. Is it visible for you now? No.
No, sir.
Now I think it will
Yes,
be.
Yes, sir.
Now I think it will be visible for you. This is the new file I have posted. See one thing. Yeah, I have provided you a lot of papers where there will be a repetition of ideas. One will be telling in one way, another will be telling in another way. That's all. But entire content is more or less same. And the interview time is going to be maximum 15 to 20 minutes, within which they will try to know how far you have understood insurance. Do you have an idea what is insurance and how to canvass for insurance? This is what they will try to check you. So that's what we are
Yes.
trying to find out. Now to start with Mr. Ankita, please read.
Yes, sir. Insurance. Insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It is a form of risk management primarily used to hedge against the risk of a contingent or uncertain loss. Insurance can also be defined as a cooperative arrangement to spread the loss caused by a particular risk, cover a large number of people who are exposed to it in exchange for a small sum of buy. In simple terms, insurance is a process of passing or transferring the risk of incurring loss by the owner of an asset to other party who can bear the risk in return for a consideration premium.
But this is so fully defined in a proper way. But then insurance, I mean, interview wise, simply you say insurance means an insured passes on the risk to the insurer by making payment of premium. Or in other words, insurance company covers the risk after receiving the prescribed premium. Okay. Continue. Ankit, continue.
History of insurance. The history of insurance is almost as old as the existence of humans. Some of the milestones of insurance are
over 5,000
years back. Chinese traders used insurance as a preventive measure against piracy. The cargo of each ship used to distribute it among other ships so that if one ship get lost or captured by pirates, the loss would only be partial. Second, the first written insurance policy was on Mongolian obelisk monument with the code of King
Hammurabi.
Hammurabi. The Hammurabi code was one of the first forms of the written laws. The basic insurance gave the Babylonian traders protection against loss of cargo. In 1666, the Great Fire of London destroyed more than 13,000 houses. To counter such events in future, Fire Office, the first fire insurance company, was started in 1680. Traders in London used to gather at Lloyd's Coffee House and agree to share losses of goods due to piracy or the ship sinking due to bad weather or other reasons.
Oh, okay, continue.
History of insurance in India. In India, insurance began formally in the 18th century. The following are some of the early companies who started operating in India. In 1818, the first life insurance company, Oriental Life Insurance Company, was established in Kolkata. 1829, Madras Equitable was established in Madras Presidency. 1850, first non-life insurance company, Triton Insurance Company Limited. 1870, Bombay Mutual was started in India. 1874, Oriental was started in Mumbai. 1896, Bharat Insurance Company Limited was started in Delhi. 1897, Empire of India was started in Mumbai. The growth of insurance business in India required the enactment of the Insurance Act 1938.
So first and foremost, remembering is Insurance Act 1938.
38.
What is Banking Regulation Act? Which year?
1949.
Very good. Yes. Now we will go to Monica. Monica, please start reading.
Yes, sir. A Life Insurance Corporation of India. In 1956, the life insurance business in India was nationalized and the Life Insurance Corporation of India was formed on 1st September 1956.
Very good.
General Insurance Corporation. In 1973, general insurance business was nationalized in India and the General Insurance Corporation of India and the 4 subsidiaries, National Insurance Company Limited, the New India Assurance Company Limited, the Oriental Insurance Company Limited, and United India Insurance Company Limited were formed. As part of the nationalization process, the funds of all existing companies were merged with the 4 subsidiaries of GIC.
GIC expansion, what is it? General Insurance Corporation. Okay, continue. Liberalization.
Liberalization of the Liberalization of the Indian insurance sector. Insurance in India is governed by the Insurance Act 1938 as amended from time to time. It lays down the rules and regulations for the insurance industry. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act was enacted in 1999. IRDAI is the regulator for insurance business in India. In the year 2000, the insurance sector was liberalized and opened up for business to the private sector. Private sector foreign direct investment was allowed in insurance up to 26%, wherein the foreign players were allowed to enter into joint venture with domestic players. Lot of domestic players joined hands with foreign partners who brought in valuable expertise and capital. Opening up of the insurance sector has led to emergence of innovative insurance products and has also helped in deeper spread of insurance. Liberalization brought in much needed competition and better customer service.
Very good. See, actually, liberalization of insurance sector. எப்பொழுது insurance sector வந்து liberalize பண்ணப்பட்டது? That was done in the year 2000. It was done in 2000. அப்ப என்னாச்சு? The foreign direct investors, they started pouring money into India. At that time, it was prescribed that FDI investment maximum 26% of the capital can be there in the hands of foreign players. Now it has been revised to how much percentage?
74%.
74%.
74%. Very good. That's it. Now we will continue with this. Monica, continue.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. The IRDA is a department and autonomous statutory body. The
No,
IRDAI
hello, read again.
The IRDAI is an independent and autonomous statutory body.
முன்னாடி
The
என்ன படிச்ச
IRDA
முன்னாடி என்ன படிச்ச
Sir,
சரியா படிக்கல
தெரியும்.
ஏதோ தப்பு
Okay,
பண்ணின
sir.
பரவாயில்ல
Okay, sir.
The IRDA was constituted. Continue.
The IRDA was constituted under the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act, which was passed in 1999. The main function of the IRDAI is to regulate the insurance industry of the country.
Hmm.
For many years, the insurance sector of India was protected. The IRDA Act of 1999 allowed the entry of private companies in the insurance sector. It also allowed for 26% investment by foreign companies. Since 2014, the FDI limit has been increased to 49% and further opened up the insurance sector.
Now it is 74. Yeah.
74%.
Yeah, continue.
For many years in the, sorry.
No, here. So the insurance.
So the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has a role to protect the policyholders from any form of discriminatory practices. They regulate all the insurance companies. All companies have to approach the IRDA for registration certificates. And they are responsible for the renewal, modification, or cancellation of these certificates.
Actually, they were started for giving protection to the insured. That is like people like us, those who are taking policies. Of course, yeah, policyholders. Of course, like IRDA is vested with the power to grant a license to the companies, which company should be started. Monica, please read this. This paragraph is very important. Please read. So the insurance.
So the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has a role to protect the policyholders from any form of discriminatory practices.
1 minute. Discriminatory means what? Discriminatory means what? What is discriminatory? Discriminatory means giving different. No, not malpractice. Discriminatory means differentiating people, giving different treatment to different people. People whose name are starting with A, they will be promoted. People whose name starts with M will not be promoted. So that is discrimination. Or in other words, charging different premiums for different people. If I do it here for some people, poor people, free, that is different. Whereas insurance company, they should have a table, they should have a prescribed rates, and they must charge at that rate only. So to avoid discrimination, differentiation, and sort of favoritism for some people. Okay, continue. They regulate
all the insurance companies. All companies have to approach the IRDA for registration certificates, and they are responsible for the renewal, modification, or cancellation of these certificates.
Yeah, Monica, நீ படிக்கும்போது இதெல்லாம் மனசுல இருக்குங்கிறதுக்காக படிக்கிறியா, வச்சு நிக்கிறது நினைச்சுன்னு படிக்கிறியா, இல்ல சும்மா படிக்கணுமேன்னு படிக்கிறியா? I am asking her, is she reading keeping in mind that I am remembering everything, or you are reading just for the sake of reading? Please tell me.
Sir, adula தப்பு வரக்கூடாதுன்னு கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணி படிக்கிறேன் சார். அப்ப இன்னொரு படிச்சாதான்
மனசுல இருக்காது. She says, I am just reading it with attention so that I should not commit any error while reading. So I am not able to remember things when I read. Maybe I have to read once again to remember them. Doesn't matter. But don't have fear in your mind. You are reading very well. So read without fear. At the same time, telling within yourself. I am telling to Ankit, I am telling to Monica, telling to Rishabh, that you are remembering things. That is the reason why I wanted you to read this second time. Monica, continue. Okay,
Functions and powers of IRDA. The IRDA Act gives the authority its functions and powers. Section 14 of the Act contains the scope of powers of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India to regulate the insurance and reinsurance industry. Let us take a look at the powers and functions of IRDAI. The IRDAI has the authority to issue registration certificates to any applicant.
Yeah.
They also reissue, renew.
It should be they. They also may reissue. Good, very good. You corrected and read. Good, good. Continue.
They also may reissue, renew, cancel, or modify these certificates as per their
As per
discretion.
discretion means what? What is meant by discretion? Discretion, na? Their powers, discretionary powers, na? That you have. 1 minute. Let me see the dictionary. What is the meaning? It is telling us. I have the cell phone with me, with the discretionary.
As per
Discretionary.
the norms.
Discretionary means available for use at the discretion of the, denoting or relating to investment. What is the discretion? What does discretion mean? Discretion, power of free decision or latitude of choice within certain legal bounds reached at the age of, that is, you have the power to change, but within certain defined rules. Very good. Continue.
Protection of the policy holders in matters such as assigning of policy, nominating members to the policy, insurable interest, settlement of claims, and any other such matters. Make guidelines and provide training for the appropriate code of conduct for insurance agents and intermediaries. Also making the code of conduct for loss assessors and surveyors working with the insurance companies. They can also conduct investigations and audits of insurance companies, intermediaries, and any other organizations with a connection to the insurance business.
Very good. Next, we will go to Rishabh. Rishabh, you continue from this regulation of rates. Rishabh, you are from which
Yes,
state? You are from which state?
Sir, I'm from Bihar, but I have applied from West Bengal.
Why did you apply from West Bengal?
Sir, because I stay here, sir.
Since when are you staying in West Bengal?
Sir, I'm staying here since 2015.
Acha. You have Pakka Aadhaar card and all with this address?
No, sir.
So you have Aadhaar card of
Bihar.
Bihar only. Acha. So, but in are you staying alone or with your parents?
Sir, I'm staying alone.
Alone. Acha. Then why
my parents are staying in permanent address.
In Bihar?
Yes, sir.
So why did you not apply for Bihar? This question they will ask you in the interview. आप क्यों बिहार में अप्लाई नहीं किया लेकिन कोलकाता से क्यों अप्लाई किया?
Sir, I have, after completing BTech, I have done a job as a sales engineer, sir.
In which company?
Sir, CNC.
Oh, Computer Maintenance Corporation.
Yes, sir.
Acha, you are working for them. So you thought it, but ये क्वेश्चन के लिए कैसे मैनेज करेगा आप? ये लोग जरूर पूछेगा, अरे भाई तुम क्यों इधर से अप्लाई किया उधर नहीं क्यों नहीं किया? आपको तो इधर से लोग से बात करना तकलीफ हो. आप बांग्ला बोलते पारी ना अपनी?
हाँ सर, बांग्ला बोलते पारी.
আপনি পড়তে পারেন? Can you read?
Yes sir, আমি পড়তেও পারি.
আচ্ছা, very good. What about writing?
Sir, একটু আমি লিখতেও পারি.
Oh, but Hindi, what about Hindi writing, reading and speaking?
Yes sir, वो तो बहुत अच्छा है, बंगाली से भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Very good. तब तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. You tell them that I was working. You are working now also here in Kolkata.
सर, बीटेक मेरा कंप्लीट यहीं से हुआ, उसके बाद से मैं यहीं पे रह रहा हूँ. जॉब मेरा वो सेल्स इंजीनियर का यहीं पे था.
And
वो होने के बाद
now, Abhi, are you working now or not?
no sir.
Then without work, why did you not go to your Bihar? So,
Sir,
okay.
after that,
No,
I started teaching.
I wish you should not get any such controversial questions and all, but be prepared for such things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue reading.
Sir, regulation of rates, terms and conditions, etc., that the insurers offer their customers in the general insurance business. The IRDAI can also dictate the manner in which the insurance companies have to maintain their records and books of accounts and how they prepare their final accounts as well. They regulate how the insurance companies invest their funds and maintain their margin of solvency. The adjudication of matters adjudication of matters and disputes of any kind involving the insurance companies or intermediaries is also done by the IRDAI. There is a tariff advisory committee with relation to the insurance company. The IRDAI regulates its functions as well.
Very good. Continue. Role of IRDAI.
Role of IRDAI as a business facilitator. One function of
Hello.
insurance. Role of IRDAI as a business facilitator. One function.
Facilitator.
Facilitate.
Facilitator.
Facilitator. Role of IRDAI as
facilitator.
Facilitator.
No, हम क्यों ऐसा बोलते हैं? ये तो because we are not speaking in English for a long time, the words pronunciation will not come correct for us. So we should practice that once or twice. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Continue. One function.
Role of IRDAI as a business facilitator. One
Good.
function of the
Very good. One function
of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is that it also acts as a business facilitator. It regulates the insurance industry and creates trust and goodwill in the market for these insurance companies. The IRDAI is also responsible for the growth and development of the insurance sector. The increasing participation of foreign companies under the watchful eye of the authority is good for both the insurance sector and the economy as a whole.
Yeah, IRDAI headquarters is in Hyderabad, Telangana.
Yes, sir. And it is established in 1999.
Its chairman's name is, what is his name? I have forgotten. I'm having it in my, Monica Nyabarakama?
Sir, IRDAI.
No.
Debashish Panda.
Correct.
Debashish Panda, yes, sir.
Mr. Debashish Panda. LIC chairman pair enna ipa? Mari irukudhu. MR Kumar. Siddhartha Mohanty. Very good. Siddhartha Mohanty, we should remember. We should remember Debashish Panda. Then, who is the finance minister?
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Mrs. बोलना है. Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. Who is the railway minister?
Mr. Piyush Goyal.
No.
Railway.
Ashwini Kumar Vaishnaw.
Yeah. Now we have to remember his name because so many accidents are taking place. So his name is always in the news. So we must remember that. Okay. Good. Very good. Continue, Mr. Rishabh. Rishabh, what is the meaning of the word Rishabh?
Sir, the meaning of my name is excellent, superior.
I think Rishabha Lagnam or Rishabha Rasi. That is, there is a, in Tamil, we have we have 27 birth stars, 27 birth stars. And out of 27 birth star, this is one Rasi. The Rasis are classified as Mesha Rasi and then Rishabha Rasi, like that. I think Rishabha, it means cows also. Let me check. Cow, Siga Cheji. Rishabha, meaning in Hindi. I'm just searching. Rishabh is a snazzy Hindi boy name that is adored by everyone. Rishabh name meaning Hindi is, what is this लिखा है? हिंदी में क्या लिखा है? अच्छा, you are not able to see that.
No, sir.
I will show you that. Just a minute. What is coming here? What is coming here? Rishabh is a,
Sir, superior is written here.
oh, it is only
भगवान विष्णु के अवतार औरतें के दूसरे ध्यान दे नैतिकता.
अच्छा, ये superior लिखा है.
हाँ सर.
I am not able to follow that. Doesn't matter. Stop sharing. Coming again to this one. Where am I? I am here. Continue. You are, please continue.
Different types of insurance: life insurance, general insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance, miscellaneous, like motor, liability, health, burglary.
No, but one
First.
thing, incidentally, I am told in, say, Canada and all, there
Yes,
is
sir.
medical insurance not only for human beings, but also for dogs, cats.
Oh,
I think to such extent India में अभी तक आया नहीं insurance.
Yeah, pet
आया है?
insurance.
वे-
Yes, sir.
आ गया वेटरनरी इंश्योरेंस आ गया.
Yes, sir. Previous year आया था. Future Generally Insurance Company कोई निकाली थी.
नो
Dog के लिए.
डॉग के लिए है, अभी भी है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो नया न्यूज़ है जी. इंडिया डॉग इंश्योरेंस कुछ होता है, पेट इंश्योरेंस होता है जी, बट दिस इज फेच पेट. अमेरिका में होगा, इंडिया में है ना क्या? टॉप इंश्योरेंस फॉर पेट्स कनाडा. विच पेट इंश्योरेंस इज बेस्ट इन इंडिया? अच्छा, top 3 pet insurance company, New India Assurance. Arey Baba, I am thinking there is no insurance, but there is insurance for that given by our own public sector companies. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
New India Assurance, Oriental Insurance, Bajaj Alliance General Insurance. 10 most common dog illnesses and conditions, 7 things to know while buying pet insurance. Arey Baba, thank you, boys. First time I was under the impression it is not there, but now I find it is there. 10,000 to 54,000 annually. Arey Baba, what are the benefits of pet insurance? But I think they will not ask this question for you because we are going only for LIC. So now where are we? We are here. Which one we are we reading? अच्छा जी, एक
Role of IRDAI.
रोल ऑफ एक मिनट, वो मटेरियल किधर आया? आर यू एबल टू सी द मटेरियल?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Yeah, 1 minute. Where did I lose that? हाँ, अभी मिल गया. Don't worry, I will give you. LIC ADO interview. अच्छा जी, please study. I will not disturb you. Continue. Rishabh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Life insurance. Life insurance deals with covering the lives of human beings. In life insurance, the asset in question in the economic value of the person. A person's earning capacity depends on his skills, knowledge, ability, and other factors. The family employer and indirectly the users of products created by this asset. Human beings enjoy value and benefits. A human life is an income generating asset, but this asset can be lost through unexpected early death or made non-functional through illness or disabilities caused by accidents. Death is certain, but its timing is uncertain. If death occurs very early in the career, insurance contributes to help those dependent on this asset.
Yeah, in fact, that is the reason why in India and also in foreign countries, whenever people take a housing loan, 1 crore, 50 lakhs, and all that, they ask them to cover their life. For that, that is a different insurance where they simply risk is covered and your money you will not get back any money. For example, for you cover you're taking a housing property for 40 lakhs loan, then your life will be covered for 40 lakhs. I think they collect nearly 80,000 or 1 lakh from those people. It will be outstanding as long whatever amount is outstanding in the loan, that will be paid by the insurance company. Like that, there is also one insurance. Yeah, continue. General
Yes,
insurance.
general insurance. Non-life insurance or general insurance deals with covering non-human objects like animals, agriculture, crops, goods, factories, cars, etc. In some countries, non-life insurance is also known as property and casualty insurance.
Hmm.
Non-life insurance also covers losses through individual behaviors like fraud, burglary, non-fulfillment of promises in the case of repayment of mortgage loans and negligence by professionals in their service. General insurance business is further divided into three categories:
Hmm.
fire insurance, marine insurance, miscellaneous like motor insurance, engineering, liability, burglary, fidelity, health, personal accident.
Yeah,
First,
fidelity का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of fidelity? Fidelity means loyalty ना क्या?
uh, yes,
Let me see. Because English is such a language, it is difficult for even experienced people like me to remember. Fidelity meaning. Yeah, 1 minute. Fidelity meaning faithfulness to a person.
okay,
Faithfulness to a person, cause, or belief demonstrated by continuing loyalty and support. Okay, very good. Now
okay,
we
sir.
will go to Mr. What is his name? Saravana Kumar. Saravana Kumar. Saravana Kumar, are you there? Saravana Kumar. இருக்கீங்களா?
Sir, I am here, sir.
Saravana Kumar, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here, sir.
Acha, acha. Very good. Very good. Where are you staying?
Sir, I am staying in Tiruchirappalli, sir.
True, but why so much noise?
Sir, actually, I am in railway station currently, sir.
Why are you why are you always in railway station? Every day in railway station? Huh?
No, sir, not like that, sir.
Acha, doesn't
Currently, I was
matter.
traveling,
Doesn't
sir.
matter. You don't have to read. I will ask Ankit to read. Ankit, please read. Fire insurance.
Yes, sir.
Ankit, yeah.
Fire insurance deals with all fire-related risks and will include damage due to riots, malicious acts, typhoons, cyclones, earthquakes, and consequential expenditure related to these events.
Hmm.
Marine insurance deals with
Hmm.
goods being transported by sea, air, rail, or road, as well as all marine-related risks.
Hmm.
Apart from fire insurance and marine insurance, all other businesses are included in the miscellaneous class. These
Hmm.
include motor insurance, engineering, liability, burglary, fidelity, health, personal accident, etc.
Fidelity.
Accidents and illnesses,
We pronounce it as
fidelity.
fidelity. Yeah.
Accidents and illnesses
Hmm.
to human beings are covered in health insurance in India, but these are covered in life insurance in many countries. In India, accidents and some critical illnesses are recovered in life insurance only as additional cover, along with the main life insurance policy.
Additional cover means riders.
Riders, yes.
In fact, this is one interview question. What is rider? What are the different riders that are there? That is one interesting interview question. Continue.
In India, insurance
Hmm.
insurance on life of a person for death by accident only is treated as non-life insurance.
Continue. Principles of insurance.
Principles of insurance. First, utmost good faith. Second, insurable interest. Third, principle of indemnity. Fourth, principle of contribution. Fifth, principle of subrogation. Sixth, principle of loss minimization. And last, principle of causa proxima. Types of insurance plan. Endowment insurance plan. Endowment insurance plan is a life insurance policy which provides you with a combination of both an insurance cover as well as savings plan. It is an insurance cum investment plan that offers maturity benefits in addition to death benefits.
IE नहीं है. IE लिखने से meaning is that is.
That is, yes.
Continue. Group life insurance plan.
Group life insurance plan. A group life insurance plan provides coverage to members of a group that tends to be employees of a company or members of an organization. Members of the group usually receive insurance at a reduced cost because the insurer risk is spread across a group of policyholders. Micro insurance plan. Micro insurance plan is a mechanism.
One minute. Micro insurance plan. Continue.
Micro insurance plan is a mechanism to protect low-income people against risks such as accident, illness, and natural disasters in exchange for insurance premiums payments tailored to their needs, income, and level of risk. Joint life insurance plan. Joint life insurance plan is a life insurance policy that covers multiple people. Most joint life insurance policies are permanent policies like whole or universal life insurance that have cash values that earn interest. Single life insurance plan. A single life insurance policy covers one person only and pays out the chosen amount of cover if that person dies during the length of the policy. Convertible insurance plan. Policy that allows an insurance to cover whole life insurance without having to prove his or her insurability. Pure endowment plan. A pure endowment is a type of insurance in which an insurance company agrees to pay the insured a certain amount of money. If the insured is still alive at the end of the specific period of time, these are, however, no beneficiaries to a pure endowment means that no benefits will be owed if the insured is not alive by the end of the endowment period.
Type of insurance policies.
Types of insurance policies. For general insurance policy, life insurance policy. General insurance policies. First, home insurance policies, rental insurance policies, medical or health insurance policies, pets insurance policies, travel insurance policies, business insurance policies. Home insurance. As the name suggests, a home insurance policy protects your home and its belongings from the damages suffered due to man-made or natural disasters. One can obtain cover against the risk of loss to residence and property therein from fire, theft, earthquake, flood, or other contingencies.
What is
Rented
earthquake?
insurance.
What is earthquake?
Bhukamp.
Bhukamp. Correct. Bhukamp.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Renters insurance.
Renters insurance.
Please read.
A rented insurance policy is a group of coverages designed to help protect you and your belongings. A typical renter's insurance policy includes liability coverage, protection for your belongings, and coverage for additional expenses should the home you are renting become temporarily inhabitable.
Okay. Next, we will
Health
go.
Insurance.
Very good. Next, we will go to our, what is her name? Monica. Continue, Monica. Health insurance. Monica, are you
Health
there?
insurance. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Health insurance, an essential risk mitigation tool. Health insurance prevents out-of-pocket expenses while dealing with a medical emergency. A general health insurance plan is an indemnity plan that pays for hospitalization expenses up to the sum insured. While you can avail a standalone health policy, family floater plan provide coverage to all the members of your family. On the other hand, critical illness plans are fixed benefit plans which provides a lump sum upon diagnosis of a critical ailment, taking care of pre and post hospitalization costs. These plans help take care of astronomical costs associated with the treatment of critical ailments.
I don't know whether LIC is giving this insurance. I'm not sure. Please,
So
if
now it is
huh?
cancer cover. It gives cancer cover. LIC.
It is there, na? Acha, acha.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
cancer
Sir,
cover is there.
cancer cover and Arogya Rakshak,
Cancer
both
cover,
are health plan.
cancer cover and
Arogya Rakshak,
Arogya
sir.
Arogya Raksha. Acha, acha. Very
Yes,
good.
Arogya Rakshak.
Rakshak. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Continue. Pets insurance.
Insurance.
Monica, Padima.
Pet insurance policy is one of the latest insurance scheme introduced in India. The scheme covers veterinary expenses incurred for the treatment of a pet who has endured an injury or is sick. Some pet insurance plans also cover death or loss of the pet that is insured.
Arey Baba.
Travel insurance.
In
In
case,
case you are traveling abroad, a travel insurance policy protects you against losses suffered due to loss of baggage, delays in flight, and trip cancellation. In some cases, if you are hospitalized while traveling, a travel insurance may offer cashless hospitalization. Business insurance. Business insurance policy protects business from losses due to events that may occur during the normal course of business. There are many types of business insurance, including coverage for property damage, legal liability, and employee related risks. Life insurance policies, term insurance policies, money back insurance policies, whole life policies, unit linked investment policies, pension policies.
in fact, today I have posted one ULIP one. Did you see that one? I have just copied from our say the LIC website about ULIP. Just a minute. We will
Okay,
see
sir.
that. We will see that once again.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute.
Term insurance.
1 minute. Wait,
Shall
wait.
I?
Wait,
Okay,
wait.
okay, sir.
I think its name is Nivesh Plus. LIC Nivesh Plus.
Yes, sir.
One minute. 1 minute. What do you see here? What is this one? This is Nivesh plus. And this one is what? Yes, sir. Yes,
SII.
SIIP or SUIP?
SIIP.
SIIP. Okay. Please check the website once again.
നീ തേങ്ങ വേണോ? എനിക്ക് 8:30 പോകണം. എന്നാ പോയി വെക്കട്ടെ. തിരി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
Yeah. So that was the thing. That was LICs. Now stop sharing. I am on this one. We are here. Monica. All life unit link. You were reading unit link. That's why I stopped you. Continue unit link.
Sir, I couldn't find anything on the screen.
Achha, sorry.
Oh, sir.
Good. அப்படி சொன்னதான் தெரியும். ஆரமா. மோனிகா என்ன படிச்சிருக்கமா?
Sir, BSc Mathematics.
BSc Maths. Very good. Padi.
Unit linked investment policy. Sir, before that, we are waiting for submissions.
இல்ல ஒரு நிமிஷம் நம்ம சவுண்ட் நிறைய இருக்கு. யார்கிட்ட ரொம்ப சவுண்ட்? BMK தான் நல்ல சவுண்ட். BMK யாரு தெரியல. BMK ஸ்டாப் பண்ணு. ரைட். BMK stopped. Now you read. Just a minute. Yeah. வேற ஒண்ணு இருக்குதா அதுக்கு முன்னாடி?
It's a from term insurance.
அப்புறம் மணி பேக் இன்சூரன்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல? term insurance படிக்கலையா? அப்படின்னா படிச்சுட்டு ஒரு வாட்டி.
Term insurance, it is a form of life cover. It provides coverage for defined period of time, and if the insured expires during the term of the policy, then death benefit is payable to nominee. Term plans are specifically designed to secure your family needs in case of death or uncertainty. It provides specific amount of coverage for specific period of time. Money back insurance. In money back insurance plan, the insured person gets a percentage of sum assured at regular intervals, instead of getting the lump sum amount at the end of the term. In an endowment plan, with the benefit of liquidity.
Whole life
insurance. Whole life insurance is a contract that provides insurance coverage of the contract holder for his or her entire life. Upon the inevitable death of the contract holder, the insurance payout is made to contractors' beneficiaries. These policies also include a savings component which accumulates a cash value. This cash value is one of the key elements of whole life insurance. Unit linked investment policy. Unit linked insurance plan is a market linked product that aggregates the very best of investment and insurance. It is a plan linked to capital market and offers flexibility to invest in equity or debt funds as per risk appetite.
Risk appetite naka risk taking ability. Appetite naka actual meaning is பசி பட் அது மாதிரி இந்த இடத்துல என்ன மீனிங்னாக்கா ரிஸ்க் அப்பிடைட்னா யுவர் டிசையர் டு டேக் ரிஸ்க். பென்ஷன் பாலிசி.
Pension policy. A pension plan is a retirement amount which an individual gets from their insurance companies on a regular basis or in the form of a lump sum.
Very good. Now next person, some BMK has come. BMK, what is your name? BMK. Can you talk now? BMK? Or disturbance is there in his place? Oh, Rishabh, maybe disturbance. Rishabh, why don't you
Yes,
read
sir.
this? Rishabh, read
Yes.
Insurance Ombudsman.
The Insurance Ombudsman. The central government, under the powers of the Insurance Act 1938, made redressal of public grievances rules 1998 by a notification published in the Official Gazette on November 11, 1998. These rules apply to life and non-life insurance for all personal lines of insurance, that is, insurances taken in an individual capacity. The objective of these rules is to resolve all complaints relating to settlement of claim on the part of the insurance companies in a cost-effective, efficient, and impartial manner. The ombudsman, by the mutual agreement of the insured and the insurer, can act as a mediator and counselor within the terms of insurance. At present, there are 17 insurance ombudsmen in different locations. The decision of the ombudsman whether to accept or reject the complaint is final.
Continue.
Complaint to the ombudsman. Any complaint made to the ombudsman should be in writing, signed by the insured or his legal heirs, addressed to the ombudsman within whose jurisdiction the insurer has a branch or office supported by documents, if any, along with an estimate of the nature and extent of loss to the complainant and the relief sought.
Okay, continue.
Complaints can be made to the ombudsman if the complainant had made a previous written representation to the insurance company and the insurance company had rejected the complaint, or the complainant had not received any reply within 1 month after receipt of the complaint by the insurer. The complainant is not satisfied with the reply given by the insurer. The complaint is made within 1 year from the date of rejection by the insurance company. The complaint is not pending in any court or consumer forum or in arbitration. Sir, what is the meaning of arbitration?
Arbitration means two people going to a third party to give his ideas or his ruling on that is known as arbitration.
Okay.
Continue.
Any dispute about premium paid or payable in terms of insurance policy, any partial or total repudiation of claims by the life insurer, general insurer, or the health insurer.
Repudiation means mana karna. No solra. Marukkuறது. Very good. Continue. Recommendation by the ombudsman.
Recommendations by the ombudsman. There are certain protocols or duties that the ombudsman is expected to follow. Recommendations should be made within 1 month of the receipt of such complaint. The copies should be sent to both the complainant and the insurance company. Recommendations have to be accepted in writing by the complainant within 15 days of receipt of such recommendation. Recommendations have to be accepted.
Next one. A copy of the acceptance
A
letter.
copy of the acceptance letter by the insured should be sent to the insurer and his written confirmation sought within 15 days of his receiving such acceptance letter. If the dispute is not settled by intermediation, the ombudsman will pass award to the insured, which he thinks is fair and is not more than what is necessary to cover the loss of the insured.
Very good. Continue. Awards by the
Awards
ombudsman.
by the ombudsman. The awards by the ombudsman are governed by the following rules. The awards should not be more than 20. Sir, nowadays 30 lakhs.
Acha,
Awards.
now 30 lakhs ho gaya. Very good. I don't know.
Yes.
1 minute. Let
The
me.
the
Are you
awards
sure?
should
Are
not
you
be more
sure?
than.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir. 100%.
Yeah.
The
Continue.
award should not be more than 30 lakhs, inclusive of ex gratia payment and other expenses. Sir, ex gratia.
Ex gratia means something extra.
Okay, sir. The award should be made within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of such a complaint, and the insured should acknowledge the receipt of the award in full as a final settlement within 1 month of such award. The insurer shall comply with the award and send a written intimation to the ombudsman within 15 days of the receipt of such acceptance letter. If the insured does not intimate in writing the acceptance of such award, the insurer may not implement the award.
Very good. So we will stop with this today. And Ankit, Monica, Rishabh, BMK. These are all important. This is something related to insurance, etc. are all important. But what is more important is your selling skills, your marketing skills, your communication ability. So tomorrow when we come, I think, or we can spend about 10 minutes now. Say, for example, imagine you are going to meet a customer for canvassing of some insurance policies. Normally you will not go, only your agent will go. Let us hope that you are going along with the agent, and you are going to canvass for some big policy, 1 crore, 2 crore policy. So how will you talk to the person and try to canvass? Of course, for that, you must know the policies. So you may not be, will you be able to, do you know any of the details of policies? 1 crore,
Yes,
2
sir.
crore. If you know, you can talk. Who knows about it? Come on, who knows about it?
Sir, I know about cancer cover, table number 905.
Achha.
Minimum sum assured is 10 lakhs and maximum is 50 lakhs.
Very good. Now you please try to canvass from Ankit. Ankit is a very rich man. He is owning so many factories, buildings, shops, everything. He is a rich man. Please talk to him, Ankit. Yeah. Rishabh?
Yes, sir. Ankit, you can take.
You
Yes.
can,
Ankit,
yeah.
what is your age? Because in this
I'm
policy.
34 right now.
Okay, sir. So you are eligible because in this policy, in this plan, minimum age is 20 years and maximum age is 65 years, and ceasing age is 75 years. And but in this policy, you can't get accidental death and disability benefit.
No, but
In this policy, you can get a rebate from Income Tax Act ATC of 1961.
So you must talk still more. You should not tell the negative things, Rishabh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You should tell only the positive things and try to do it. We will do it tomorrow. So you
Yes, sir. Yes.
all of you get prepared for talking
Yes,
like
sir.
this. You are going to do marketing tomorrow. 20 minutes marketing, 40 minutes class tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. Thank you. Evening we'll meet at 9 p.m. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.